How do we make sense of this market? There's optimism in the retail sector, but the polished and rough trade is filled with caution. Let's try and break it down. US jewelers are positive as holiday sales are gaining momentum despite the prevailing economic uncertainty. Signet Jewelers raised its fourth quarter and full year forecast after third quarter revenue rose 3% to $1.6 billion, although profit fell 60% to $38 million. Sales were boosted by Signet's acquisitions of Diamonds Direct and Blue Nile during the year. And taking those companies out of the equation, same-store sales fell 7.6% compared to last year when consumer spending was boosted by government stimulus. We don't have that stimulus this year, so it may be an unfair comparison. Remember, 2021 was a record year for the diamond and jewelry industry, so if sales fall slightly below last year, it's no reason to panic. We're still well above pre-pandemic levels. That said, jewelers are careful about buying. They don't want to hold excess inventory in such an uncertain economic environment. They're taking more goods on memo, and they're able to tap into their suppliers' inventory in real time, so they don't necessarily have to own that inventory. But the midstream does, and its inventory is currently bloated. The number of stones on RapNet is at record levels, up 8% from a year ago to around 1.8 million diamonds on the trading platform. Dealer trading is cautious as demand has slowed and prices continue to decline. Manufacturers are under pressure to raise liquidity and reduce all that inventory. The slowdown in China is a major factor contributing to the declines, as Chinese buyers have been largely absent for the market for some time now. That said, some are showing interest to buy again amid speculation that select categories of polish may have bottomed out. In the rough market, De Beers extended its sightholder contracts for 1 year due to the market uncertainty, and it kept prices stable at this week's site. The company seems content to sell less and maintain value rather than stimulate sales volume by reducing prices. So there's some tension in the market as the various segments are pulling in different directions. Before we close, this week saw the magnificent jewels auctions taking place in New York, with sales by and large meeting expectations. Christie's brought in a total $59 million, selling 93% by lot at its auction. A pear-shaped 32.62 carat fancy blue, potentially internally flawless diamond pendant necklace sold for $11.8 million at Christie's. The Sotheby's auction totaled $50 million with 81% of lots finding buyers. The pear-shaped 303.1 carat deep fancy brownish yellow internally flawless diamond known as the Golden Canary sold for $12.4 million, which is around $41,000 per carat. So that's our roundup for this week ending December 9th. As always, there's a lot going on in the diamond and jewelry market. A lot of it's exciting. I hope you're seeing sparkles this holiday season. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Get the highest cash prices when you sell your Melly and single stone diamonds with Rapaport Auctions. Talk to an expert today.